Dear friends, in this video we will see how to add watermark in VSDC video editor. Let us go to the video. Let us open VSDC video editor. Okay, this is the video editor, and this is the video file and this is the audio file, and let us display this. Let us play this video now. 1 minute. So the video is playing. I want a watermark added to this video. Okay. So here, 1 minute. So here in this video, a watermark must be embedded along this bottom right side of this video, right? Now if you see, there is no watermark in this video. Okay. So after adding the watermark, let us see. Let us play the video again. Okay. So now let us see how to add the watermark in the VSDC video editor. So let us close this preview. Now in order to add watermark, let us go to, see, this is the VSDC dashboard. In this middle of it, next to text, just click this T that represents text. Click it. Again text, click it. Okay, click OK. Now select the location where you want to embed the watermark. I want to embed it along this side, right? So just left click it and drag it how far you want. Then type the watermark you want, text you want. So this is the watermark I have typed. Now Control A, select that text, go to paragraph along the top side and select this sender. That means the text will go to the center of this box. Then go to this font size. So any font you want, you just select it. I have selected this font. Okay. Then pixel. Now it is in 1px default mode. Now you can change the pixel to 2 or 3. I am selecting it to 2 pixel, right? Then if you want, you can move it to the left align or horizontal align center or right align. Okay, anything you can select, or here also top align you can make, that means here. Then vertical align center you can make, or bottom align you can make, right? It depends upon you. Now I am placing it here only, so I am just not clicking any of these options, else you can do it. Okay, after this just go to these tools, then click opacity. See, click here, reduce the opacity to 30%. That means slight dim. Instead of being too bright, we reduce the opacity of the text to 30%. This is standard size, either 30 or 40. Okay, so 30 would be good. Okay, now click somewhere on this. Now this is the watermark that we have created throughout this video. So once you click it and then click somewhere on this video screen, see here, this is the text that has been created throughout the video. Now if you go to the video and check view, just see, I'm just playing the video. Now this is the watermark which is available in the video. Okay. So this is the watermark that is visible. See here, this is the watermark. Okay. So everywhere you can find at the bottom. Okay. Okay. So let us close this. So this is the procedure how to add watermark in VSDC video editor. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.